Hello everyone, welcome back to Maths class. In today's class, let's begin with the new chapter, lesson number 21, Framing Algebraic Expressions. So this is a very simple chapter and also an important chapter in algebra. So as per the reduced syllabus, we have only few set of problems which we need to solve and learn. So straight away let me move on to exercise 21, fourth main. That means to say the first three mains are excluded. Straight away we are going to move into fourth main. So look at the heading. It is asked to find if x is equal to 4, evaluate A. So in this chapter, basically solving the algebraic expression means there will be an equation. What is an equation? X plus 4, y plus 3, 2 plus x. Here you can see some of the binomial where you have a constant term and also an variable x, y and x in the third example respectively. The first and only one type of problem which we are going to learn in this chapter is for the given value, for the given equation. For example, it is an expression. What is an expression? X plus 4 is an expression. If value of x is 5, what is the solution? We say that 5 plus 4 is 9. So what we'll be learning in this chapter, that is, first step, you will have an expression. Second step, value of expression should be substituted. The value of the expression will be given in the question, that must be substituted. Second step is the solution by applying all the rules that what we have learned in the previous chapter, how to add, subtract, multiply and divide the algebraic terms and also the constant terms. Very simple type of problems. Remember these three steps. Read the expression, substitute the value, simplify. Okay? Simplify is your solution. Concentrate for few problems, children. Later you try to solve along with me. You will get it in a very easy manner. If x is equal to 4, evaluate. Read the first expression, 3x plus 8. So begin your solution with is equal to sign. So what do you mean by substitution? Substitution means the value of x is assigned as 4. In the place of x, I need to write 4. So what is the meaning of 3x? 3x means 3 into x. So into, I am going to represent it by bracket plus 8. How did we write? 3 into x. Value of x is 4. So 3 into 4 plus 8. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. Okay, now we are going to start with simple problems. Later you will get the problems with little bit more steps, not difficult one, more steps. Concentrate. Okay, second question. So the value of x is 4. So what will be the value of x square minus 2x? So to complete the problem in a single page, children, I have made columns here. So you need not to do it. In your classwork, you write the solution one below the other. Okay. What do you mean by x square? What do you mean by x square? X square means x into x. 2 square means 2 into 2. 5 square means 5 into 5. Y square means y into y. So what did we know by this? If any value is raised to the power 2, it means that number or the value should be multiplied for 2 times. Now I can write 2 square directly as 4, y square as y square itself, unless you know the value of y. If you know the value of y as 6, 6 square. What is 6 square? 6 6 are 36. Many of them will write 6 2s are 12, which is absolutely wrong. Keep this in mind. I am showing the common errors also. 6 2s are 12 is different. 6 6 are 36 is different. Any value rise to the power 2, it means multiply the number for 2 times. Okay, now here we have x square minus 2x. What is the value of x? X is given as 4. So 4 square minus 2 into 4. The second step is very important. That means you have to substitute the value carefully. Now what do you mean by 4 square? You can write 4 into 4 or directly 4 4s are 16. As you are in class 6, I suggest you to write directly 16. How did we get this 16? 4 4s are 16. Carry the minus sign. 2 4s are 8. 16 minus 8 is 8. In the next step, that is the third problem. X square by 2. What is x square, children? 4 square by 2. See, this problem I can solve it in two methods. Both are right, but we have to be a little bit smart enough while solving. So the first one is as usual. 4 square is 16 by 2. Now simplify. 2 1s are 2 8s are. Solution is 8. Or as we have the division symbol, I can write 4 square as 4 into 4 by 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are. 4 2s are 8. Why did I show this both the alternate methods? Because as the number is 4, which is very small, so easy for calculation. But when you have greater numbers, 26 square, 27 square, by that time, instead of multiplying 27 into 27, we can just cross check whether do we have any denominator value which can divide 27 so that your value becomes simpler for calculation. If you did not get this, need not worry, leave it. Solve it in the actual method. 4 square is 16. 16 by 2. 2 1s are 2 8s are 16. Solution is 8. So second main, that is we have value of m as value of m as 6. So what is the second step? Substitute the value. 5m is 5 into m. 5 6 are 30. 30 minus 6 is 24. Next, 2m square plus 3m. 2m square, that is 2 into 6 square. See how I am writing? The square is applied for m. So the m place 6 means again the bracket should be only for 6 and square should be only for 6. So look at the method of writing, which is very important because calculation are with simple numbers, but method of writing. Now what to do? 2m square. Can I simplify it in single step? You can do it, but let's not do it so directly. Let me keep 2 as it is. What is the value of 6 square? 6 square is 36 plus 3 6 are 18. Okay, do it very carefully, children. Don't multiply 6 2s are 12. Very wrong method. 2m square is, first I should calculate m square. 6 square is 36. 36 2s are. Now multiply. 2 6 are 12. 2 1 carry. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. 72 plus 18. Again 8 plus 2 10. 0 1 carry. 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 1 9. 90. See, in the first problem we had x square. Now we got 2m square. I hope now we have got how to solve this. So substitution is very important, and look at the question how it is and how to simplify it in a very different manner when the position of square is changed from question to question. Why? Because look at the next question itself. What is the question? 2m whole square. Question number 2 was 2m square. But here you have 2m whole square. What is the difference? Here square is applied for m. Here square is applied for 2m. So what to do? First let me write 2m as 2 into m, then keep whole square as it is. Now multiply first. 2 6 are 12, 12 square, it is 144. See, when you had 2m square, I told you, children, don't multiply 2 6 are 12 because 6 was having the degree 2. So we simplified 6 square, later 36 into 2. But here the case is different. The square is applied for whole value 2m. 2m means what? 2 into m. So in this stage, first don't do square, first multiply. 2 6 are 12, 12 square is 144. Next, sixth main. 12x plus 7. So substitute value of 12. 12 into 4 plus 7. 12 4s are 48 plus 7. 48 plus 7. 48 plus 2 is 50. 50 plus 5 is 55. Next, 5x square plus 4 into x. See here also square is applied only for 4. So what do I do? First I'll calculate 4 square. 5 into 4 square, that is 16, plus 4 4s are 16. 16 5s are 80 plus 16. The sum is equal to 96. Now the third problem. X square, that is 4 square by 8. 4 square is 16 by 8. 8 ones are 8 twos are. The solution is 2. I told you again children, this can be written as 4 into 4 and you can simplify, or directly 4 square is 16 by 8. 8 ones are 8 twos are 16. Next, question number 7. Value of m is 2. Come on, substitute. 16 into 2 minus 7. 16 2s are 32. 32 minus 7 is 25. Now 15m square. 15 into 2 square minus 10 into 2. Similar again. What I need to do? Should I multiply 15 2s are? No, I am wrong. What should I do first? Calculate 2 square. That is 15 into 4 minus 20. 15 4s are 60. 60 minus 20 is 40. Next question. 1 by 4 m cube. So nice. We had square. Now it is m cube. In the place of m, let me write 2. What is the meaning of cube, children? When it is square, we multiply the number for 2 times. When it is raised to the power 3, we call it as cube. We have to multiply it for 3 times. That means 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. If you are not able to write directly, now you can split and write 2 into 2 into 2. Simplify it. 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 1s are. What is remaining? 2. Okay. Next, 8th main. If x is equal to 10, what is 100x plus 25? So 100 into 10 plus 225. 100 tens are 1000 plus 225. So the solution is 1225. Next, 6x square minus 25x. Try to read the question, children. 6x square. Only in the place of x I need to put 10. 25 into 10. Here also what to do? first square, then multiply. 10 square is 100. How? 10 tens are 100. 25 tens are 250. So 6 into 100 is 600 minus 250. So 600 minus 200 is 400. 400 minus 50 is 350. So the solution is 350. Next, 1 by 50 into x cube. 1 by 50 into, in the place of x, let me write cube. So when the power value is becoming greater and the base is greater, better we expand it, open it, so that you will get very easy to simplify. See, 0, 0 cancel, 5 ones are 5 twos are. So the value is 10 twos are 20. Next, ninth main. Value of A is minus 10. Okay, careful. A is minus 10. Now what to do? Already we have learnt. Plus into minus is minus. 5 tens are 50. Now A square is minus 10 whole square. Now you have to think and write, children. Minus 10 whole square. What does it mean? Minus 10 into minus 10. Minus into minus is plus. 10 tens are 100. So any value, even though value is negative, if power raised is 2, it results in plus always. Now A cube. What to do? Write it as minus 10 into minus 10 into minus 10. So without looking at the sign, I wrote the answer minus 1000. I did not multiply. Why? Because it doesn't mean that I know the answer. You have to think and you have to keep this in your mind, children. For the negative number, if the power raised is an odd number, the solution is minus. For example, let me take minus 2. See, minus 2 whole square, minus 2 whole cube, minus 2 to the power of 4, minus 2 to the power of 5. See, for the negative number, here this 2 and 4 are even numbers, so solution will have the plus sign. Okay, but 3 and 5 are odd numbers, so the solution will have minus sign. If you are not able to know this, you can do the multiplication. Minus into minus is plus, again plus into minus is minus. But this is necessary to learn for your higher class also, children. Whenever you have a negative number, look at the power. If power is even number, and the solution will be plus. If power is an odd number, then the solution will be minus. Next question, 10th main. Value of x is minus 6. Again, 11 into minus 6. 11 6 are 66 minus 66. 4 into minus 6 whole square. 6 square is 36. 4 6 are 24. 2 carry. 4 3s are 12 plus 2. 14. 144. So here also what did I do? As soon as I wrote minus 6 whole square, I did not cross check with the sign because the power is an even number. When you have power even, automatically you will get positive answer. Same way the third one, 2 into minus 6 whole cube. 2 into minus 6 minus 6 minus 6. Children, first you have to calculate minus 6 whole cube. So the solution will have minus directly because the power is odd. 6 6 are 36. What is 36 6 are? 6 6 are 36, 3 6 3 are 18 plus 3 21. 216. So 2x cube means calculate the value of x cube, then multiply it by 2. Okay, here itself if you do 2 6 are 12, completely 0. Now plus into minus minus, 2 6 are 12, 1 carry, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3, 2 2s are 4. Solution is minus 432. Next, last one, question number 11. If m is minus 7, what happens? 12 into minus 7, 12 7s are 84, minus 84. Again 2m square, 2 into minus 7 whole square, 7 square is 49, 49 2s are 49 2s are is 98, 2 9s are 18, 1 carry, 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9. Here also negative number, power is even, so solution will have plus sign. Again I am repeating so that you will remember. So minus 7 whole cube. What should we do here? First calculate minus 7 whole cube, then multiply it with 2. Don't forget that. Minus 7 into minus 7 into minus 7. Definitely my solution will carry the minus sign. Why? Because power is odd. 7 7s are 49, 49 7s are. Don't copy answers from the video. You have to solve it. 7 9s are 63, 6 carry, 7 4s are 28, 28 plus 6 is 34, 343. Now multiply. Plus into minus is minus, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. Solution is minus 686. So in today's class we have learned for the given expression how to substitute the value. So in tomorrow's class we will continue with the same exercise. There you will have an expression with two variables, x and y, a and b, p and q, or x itself repeated for 2 times or 3 times. Let's discuss that tomorrow. Go through with the video, children. After 4 or 5 problems, pause, do it, then cross check. Till next class, take care. See you, children. Have a nice day.